Hello everybody, Sean from MRC Tech here. Very excited to bring you a brand new spanking video of the Oculus Rift S. Pretty excited. I'm lucky to be able to test one of these for the high school that I work for in an effort to mitigate some issues in our brand new virtual reality lab in which we are running 10 systems in the same room at the same time, and we sometimes have some tracking issues with the headsets and the sensors and the light and all that fun stuff. So what we're doing today is gonna crack open this bad boy, maybe see how it works, run it through its paces, and make a final decision on it. As you can tell on the left side of the screen, you can follow me on all the socials under the name MRC Tech. Instagram MRC Tech _talks _ the last podcast. On Twitch at MRC Tech. On Twitter, MRC Tech Talks TLP. MRC Tech Talks TLP, the last podcast. Episode 3 of the last podcast is coming out to you next Tuesday. It is June 18th, and we are excited to bring you episode 3. And by we, I mean me, because it's a solo podcast. Even though the Star Wars community is so large, I've been getting a lot of fun feedback from people around the internet. But without further ado, let's take a look at this bad boy to see what we got in store for us today. All right. So it came, bought it from Amazon, and it came in a box within a box within another box. So this box, and inside a cardboard box, inside another giant cardboard box. And it has PC required on the front, AVI. On the back, high performance PC gaming, superior graphics, precision tracking. But let's read off the minimum requirements. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti or an AMD Radeon RX 470 or greater. Intel i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 1200. 8 gigs of RAM. DisplayPort 1.2 source. And it has a mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter. It also needs a 3.0 port for USB and an operating system running Windows 10 or greater with internet access. And at the bottom it says important for ages 13 and up. So I was reading reviews on this, and people were giving this 1-star reviews, 2-star reviews. And after digging a little bit, it's people didn't read what this had. And yes, it doesn't have the traditional HDMI port that console gamers are used to, but it has DisplayPort, which is an equivalent and sometimes superior technology. But one thing that we can all agree on is that DisplayPort is cheaper to manufacture than HDMI, as HDMI, you have to pay a licensing fee, from what I understand. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So obviously, Facebook and Oculus chose to go with DisplayPort, and in most cases, a high-performance gaming PC is going to have DisplayPort as part of their graphics card setup. I have an RTX 2060, and I have 3 DisplayPorts. So what's the problem? The problem was you didn't read, and the problem is you have a machine that's probably just capable of running this headset. But what makes this headset very unique is that you don't need sensors. All the sensors are built into the headset itself. So that's what is intriguing. So let's get into this. Unboxings are always fun. It's like opening up a Christmas gift, if you celebrate Christmas. Okay. So as you can see, we have 2 controllers, the headset itself, and a box of accessories. So let's start with the box of accessories, because that's the most important. A wonderful little box, AA batteries, mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter, nifty, some instructions, a safety and warranty guide, which is a small wedding booklet, and I believe that is it. So let's get these batteries out. Okay. Struggling. Not struggling anymore. Okay. I'm going to put this back because we won't need that for now. But we will need the setup. All right. Install the Oculus app on your PC. You'll need the app to set up your device and create an account. Fair? So we got top strap, headband, fit wheel, depth adjustment button, facial interface, 5. Okay, headphone jack, controllers, comfort and fit, and don't put it in direct sunlight. We have what I presume is the right controller. It has a strap to it. Very nice and neatly packed. Grippy. Okay, cool. I know this comes apart somehow. I'm assuming the battery. There we go. Okay, so that's what makes this different from the Vives right off the bat, is that you do have to replace the batteries. A small concession based on the fact that, older console controllers, you had to replace the battery. I do like that. It's magnetized at the top, so you can reattach it without a problem. Cool. There's not much in the box, so we'll put this baby away. Okay, so let's take a look. So it feels pretty sturdy. It's definitely got a smaller footprint than the HTC Vives, so that's good. It has the 4 cameras on it for sensing capabilities. It has a headphone jack on the left hand side. It's kind of a weird spot for it, but we'll take it. And it's got all these cables neatly wrapped up. Let's just undo this. As I said before, it has your DisplayPort and USB 3.0, Type A, standard. Just kind of want to get these cables loose. This should have some length to it. Right on. definitely the headset is stiffer. It's very interesting. So let's give it a shot. I like that. You have the adjustment piece. And just like that, we have it on. Can't say anything through it yet, but just kind of get a feel for it. Definitely has a similar type of weight to HTC Vive, but I guess we'll find out. Well, that was the unboxing of the HTC Vive. So the next step in this is going to see how it actually works. So stay tuned for that as we take you out of part 1 of the video. We'll see you on the flip. This was Sean of MRC Tech. Check me out on all the socials. We'll see you soon.